So I just got back from the store, and this is my official Neemzzz Let's Get Healthy 2.0 Suns Out, Guns Out, coming soon video. So I ended up buying a lot of, well, not a lot, but I ended up buying some things that I think will benefit you guys as well if you're like me, because I'm not always home to be able to make dinner or make lunch. So what I ended up buying is for lunches especially, I think my best option is to make my famous chicken salad. But anyways, that's why I went to Trader Joe's and I got 2 of these. I mean, this has nothing to do with fashion if you haven't guessed already, but I got 2 of these. These are the only grilled, like pre-grilled chicken strips that I like, and they're from Trader Joe's because they have these like, they taste like they've been grilled and not like the Tyson ones that taste like, I don't know, they've been made in the factory. But these are great. I bought 2 packs of them, and then I bought a huge thing of cherry tomatoes, lettuce, kale. Kale is so cheap. This is like $1.99. Cauliflower, cucumbers, some cabbage mix, croutons or croutons. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna make my salad. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. Okay, so for this salad, you obviously need a bowl. You need all your ingredients. The thing that I'm gonna cut though is this lettuce, because you know, everything else is pretty much cut, but this is a great way to just add fiber to your diet. Even though this type of lettuce doesn't have much, it's still a great way to just kind of like fill you up as well. So get one of these and chop it up. Does anyone watch Rachel Ray? I don't like Rachel Ray. I don't know why. I just like get so annoyed with her because this is what pissed me off about Rachel Ray. Let me get into Rachel Ray right now. She created a product and sold it on the market called, I don't even know what it was, but basically it was a little plastic bowl that whenever she had scraps, it was meant for you to throw your scraps into that. Rachel Ray. That's why we have plastic bags. Why would I buy your little container to throw away my scraps so I can just throw it in the bag? You know what? You know, but shout out to Rachel Ray for her A for effort, for her marketing skills, and I'm pretty sure a bunch of people bought that. In other news, 80% of why I like this salad is because I get to add to it these croutons from Trader Joe's are amazing. So now time for the cucumber. I'm gonna cut it up real nice and shove it in that salad. No, I'm just kidding. So next ingredient, cherry tomatoes. You could just throw those right in there. And these are great for just the flavor, and tomatoes are super good for you. So a handful in there. This is looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, and I barely have anything in there. Okay, so a little bit of our mix right here. This has like a bunch of different things in it. Cabbage, red cabbage, sprouts, broccoli. It adds like a crunchy element to your salad if you just don't like non-crunchy things. Because I know a lot of people don't like salads because they have no like texture to them. It's just greens, right? And see, right away, so much stuff in there. And is there kale in here? Yeah, perfect. There was kale in here. Why did I buy all that kale if there's 2 kales? That's so much kale now. Look. I had a kale haul. Kale, kale, and more kale. Then let's toss up some cauliflowers as well in here. And the great thing about this, also, I'm not doing this just for like, well, I'm doing it for being healthy, but I spend so much money on eating out, it's ridiculous. Like lunches and dinners, and sometimes you can just like reach for this salad instead of having to, you know, I bought all of this stuff for $30. The chicken, everything, oh, the chicken and the croutons. But yeah, I bought 2 things of chicken that will obviously last me for 2 weeks if I portion it right. And so, you know, I get one meal at, let's say like I go to Starbucks and I have a breakfast sandwich, that's $4 right there, $4 or $5. Okay, so now the chicken you can just like, you know, I'm not very into like, this is for me, this salad is for me, so I don't care if I've like touched myself before like putting this in there. Well, actually I do care, I'm just kidding. I just like being sarcastic sometimes, don't take it literally. And so there's the chicken in there, and then at the end the croutons that it comes with are really big, so I like chopping them up a little bit so I can savor them for a longer time. So see, these are pretty heavy. Okay. Those are really amazing dressing from Trader Joe's. I'm obsessed with Trader Joe's. Like this video if you like Trader Joe's. Like let's do a Trader Joe's. Let's make a Trader Joe's club on Facebook, because I feel like, anyways, Romano cheese dressing. But before that, this for 2 days, right? Why did I put the dressing on it? It's gonna get all soggy. Neemzzz, what were you thinking? I don't know. But maybe I'll eat the whole thing today. It's a pretty large, maybe for dinner. That's a good idea. Have some now, have the rest for dinner. I have a lot of kale, let's just say. Forgot the last ingredient. Ground pepper. There it is. So one more step that I'm taking to becoming more healthy is obviously going to the gym. But you know, and I know, the gym is literally like 40 to 50% of what you need to do. Now, what are my goals? Let me state my goals. I want my shoulders to get a little bit bigger. Like I feel like, just like I want this. Like let's just say what I want. I want my shoulders to get bigger. This area. I guess I want my upper body to get a little bit bigger. Not too much, but bigger. Maybe like add 10 pounds of muscle. How about that? 10 pounds of muscle throughout my whole body. My lower body I feel like needs more work. To get bigger in the gym, it's not about lifting weights only. It's about nutrition. And my biggest problem that I've always had has been the taste of protein powder. I hate it. I hate it so much. It makes me want to throw up. I don't know why. I don't know why I hate protein powder so much, but it's gross. All the ones that I've had. Luckily, I found this company called Huel, and I found them through Instagram actually, and all I heard was great stuff about their product. And what Huel is basically a meal replacement on its own, but it has 37 grams of protein in it, and most of the protein comes from oats, peas, flaxseed, let's see, brown rice. So it's all basically a meal replacement. That's a lot of protein in here. Really, really good. And it tastes amazing. So shout out to Huel. They sent me over a big version of the vanilla powder, which is really good. And this I have, the way you could have Huel, or what I plan on doing with Huel, is that, well, let me just show you the things that I got. Here's the shaker for it, really cool. I like it that it's matte black. Water bottle, I needed one of these. And then another cool thing that they have are these energy boosters. So this has cappuccino flavor because I figured vanilla and cappuccino. This is basically instant coffee, caffeine, but natural. and everything is natural, nothing is artificial. That's why I got this, because there's so many bad protein powders out there. You have no idea. And one time, let me try to find a picture of here. One time I had a really horrible protein powder that made me gain all this water weight, and yeah, that was just horrible. But anyways, this you could put in it, and the way I plan on doing Huel is that I'm going to have it in the mornings, because I don't like having breakfast that much, and that's another bad thing that I need to work on. But literally, I'm going to put it in the shaker, take it with me wherever I go. It's 500 calories, so it's literally your breakfast meal. And then I'll have my salads for lunch. But yeah, I'm so excited to have finally a protein powder / meal replacement meal replacement plan that I can use to the gym. And I just like, I don't know, I love this company, and their packaging is great, their message is great, so shout out to Huel. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. I'm not gonna eat this entire salad, I'm just gonna have some of it, but here it is. And yeah, here's to starting this like fitness journey. I'm not gonna post every day about fitness, but every time, you know, I change something or I do something, or if you want me to post my workout routine, updated one, I'll do that too. But thank you for watching, and until next time.